Ready to transform your expertise into a legend-rating, authority-building blog using the powerful Cinc platform? First, head to the Cinc website and log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one. Upon logging in, locate the blog section of your dashboard. Click the Create New Post button. This is where the magic begins. Title your post clearly and concisely. This is your blog's headline, so make it irresistible. Next, the content. Cinc provides a user-friendly rich text editor. Write out your post as thoroughly as possible. Format your text using headings, bullet points, and bold text. Consider including compelling images or videos to break up text and engage your audience. Now for design. Inside the Cinc platform, you can select from a variety of customizable templates. Choose the one that best suits your brand and style. Experiment with colors, fonts, and layouts. Once your post is polished, hit save and then publish. Don't forget to add relevant tags to help people find your content in search engines. You can also share your new blog on your social media accounts. Finally, engage with your audience, respond to comments, encourage discussion, and build a community around your blog. Regularly update your blog with fresh content. If your blog has high-quality content, you can develop authority over time and drive traffic to your profile. Create and publish your blog posts using Cinc today.